All right, our second game, Division 3, 45 up, played between the Cook Smart and the Anda Car Wash. All right, jumbo between Boss Renato and Gio. Let the game begin. Alright, nakuha ni Stevie. Stevie to Ganoy. Ganoy! Bang! Ganoy! 2 points. Grabe, ang ganda ng takbo eh. Ganoy, number 16. Wonderful tonight! Yes, 2 points. Wonderful tonight. Grabing jump shot. Parang sila Melo Ball ah. Stevie. To Ganoy. Wala. Rebound Gio. Gio naghahanap ng kapasahan. To... Nakalimutan ko ang pangalan. B-Boy! Wala. Rebound Ganoy. Ganoy to Sherben. Ben, spin move, dribble, pinasa, to Ganoy, Ganoy to Maki. Ako na lang. What's violation rep? Stepping on the line. Nakaapak sa linya. Gio. To Wonderful. Wala. To Ganoy. To Renato. To Maki. Harassed by Wonderful. Relax daw, sabi ng kakampi. Sabio. To Flores. Yes, 2 points. Ben Flores. Score 4-2 in favor of Cook Smart. To Perez, to C, back to Perez. Bang! Simple basketball. Number 76, dribble ball. Pass to number 16. Nagtitimon. Binalik. Pasa pala yun. Last touch. Bossy. To Sabio. To Flores. Flores again. Pabanda. Yes! 2 points. Ben Flores. All right, number 16. Was last touch rip. Same ball. Wonderful. Wala. Ben Flores for the rebound. Ben Flores. To Sabio. Right, pumoste. Sige! Maki! Yes! Ang ganda ng teardrop. Ang ganda pa ng takbo. No call. Balls on play. Maki tumatakbo, nagdi-dribble to Ben Flores. Wala. Takbo! Nice D by Renato. Habol. All good to Sabio. Palak! Who's foul, right? Foul number 28, Gio.
Looking to make a play. Passes. The pass.
Si Maki. Maki for three! Wala! Agawang buko. Wonderful! Nag-iisang si Wonderful. Yes, 2 points. Number 47. 47. Sabio. Sabio. Tumaki. Naghahanap ng kapasahan. Up, up, up. Renato for three. Wala. Rebound, Wonderful. To Perez. Ah, bilis tumakbo ni Wonderful. Wonderful! Foul. Foul number 76. Sub daw, sub. Lastro. Ready for rebound. Nope. Yes. Balls on play. Balls on play.
Number 1 for 3.
Sabio. Wala. Rebound Gio. Power rebound by Mr. Gio. Dribble, dribble. To Wonderful. What a pass! Ang gandang galawan naman yun. Yun yung tinatawag na chemistry. Foul. Taas kamay, taas kamay. Raise your right hand and admit that you are foul. Foul number 28. Substitution rep. Renato out in 128. Mr. De Luna. Pasok, pre. Yes. Complete. Mr. B-Boy. Wala. Ah, turnover. Takbo, Mr. Allen. Allen, nag-iisa. Wala. Down, down. To Wonderful. Ah, galing talaga ng mga plano nila, oh. Hindi lang pumasok. That's okay. Ben Flores. Humaharurot. Wala. You know? Yes, 2 points. Number 13, Allen. Ipasa sa ilalim. To Wonderful. Wonderful. Airball. Airball. Substitution rep. Sub. Alright. Pumasok na si The Triggerman. Number 25, De Los Santos. Number 76, dribble the ball. To Triggerman. To Ben Flores. To the Triggerman. Two-man game. Ben Flores. Ice! Foul. Foul number 54. Perez. To Flores to Allen. Allen, gahanap ng makapasan. To De Los Santos. Boarding yan! Boarding yan! Bang! Intes. B-Boy! Ang bumangga, giba.
Alam na yan. Mga split seconds na nag-iisip siya, ibo-boarding ko ba o hindi?
Alright, Perez. Woo! Pangalawa na yan ni Perez. Same spot, same results. Alright, 1 point lead, Cooksmart. To De Los Santos. Short, air ball. Air ball. Alright. Patay na yan. Foul, number 15. Flores. Foul, number 15, Flores. First throw. No good. For number 99. 99% germs ay wala. Yes! Connect 1 point, Mr. B-Boy. Mibibs team honor. Alright. De Luna. Pass to Maki. Maki for 3. Wala. Rebound. Allen. To Ben Flores. Ben Flores sidestep. Pabanda. Wala. Ayun na. Hustle up. Foul. Kitang-kita. Foul number 99. B-Boy. Alright. 25 seconds to play for the first quarter. To Allen. Allen to De Los Santos. Oh! Wala! Sayang! We would like to thank the PBUS major sponsors. Right there, Arnel and Grace, Mortgage Station, Penta Properties, Casa Filipina, Cooksmart, Anda Car Wash, and Omega Tax, Elegance, and the McGrath Liverpool. We have a beautiful game today, played between Anda and Cooksmart. Huwag niyong palampasin yan. Magandang laro to. Bakbakan. Alright. Back to the ball game. Alright. Second quarter. Nardo to... Nakuha ni Stevie, number 7. Stevie! Wala. To Nardo. Supalpal! To Ben Flores. Grabe Ben, purbis ito. Last na rep. Same ball.
Midi is good.
Ben Flores. Yes, 2 points. Ben Flores. Nardo to B-Boy. Foul. Alright, act of fighting daw. Act of fighting. Both players out of the game. Mr. Ben Flores and Mr. B-Boy out of the game. Relax lang tayo, relax. Alam natin na mainit ang laro. Relax lang. Alright. Alright. Back in the ball game. Tapos na ang intermission. Ito, dikdikan na to. Dikdikan na. De Los Santos for 3. Wala. Na, tumama. Alright. Alright. Mr. Arnel to foul rep. Foul number 16, Ganoy. Ganoy, first personal foul. Alright, one point, number 16. Nag-counted yun, nag-counted. Alright, 1 point. Score! Deadlock, 14-all. Sabio. Sabio for 3. Wala. Walang tinamaan. Hangin. Mr. Nardo. Steal na naman. Pasa to Sabio. Sabio. To Ganoy. Ganoy! Yes, 2 points. Number 16. Ganoy. Grabe oh. Gapuhas dagan lagi. Tapik na naman. Grabe yung depensa ng Cooksmart, oh. Grabe yung deflection ba. Arnel for 3. Wala. Rebound. Rebound de Los Santos. Kinuha na ni number 30, number 16. Bong Hawkins. Bong Hawkins yan. Stephen Curry, bang, wala, Bong Hawkins. Bong Hawkins! Yes! 2 points! Number 16. Bong Hawkins yan? Sabio. Dribble. Tumaki. Wala, short. Good. Sa kabila yun. Ganoy. Wala. Rebound de Los Santos. Ball. Grabe, dikit yung laban ah. Wala. Tumalbog palabas. Mr. Arnel Ocampo to Mr. C. Mr. C to Mr. Anda. Fade away. Pabanda, wala. Takbo. Wala nang tumatakbo. Ganoy. Fade away. No. Rebound. Agawang bola to Mr. C. To number 24. Nabitawan to Ganoy. Bloopers man ito eh. Maki, wala. Rebound. Nardo, wala. Mapapangiwi ka na lang talaga. Ganoy. Foul, number 13. Arnel Ocampo. Grabe yung sapatos ni Wonderful, oh. Pinkish na may shimmering ba? To Renato. To Sabio. Fade away. Wala. Ayan na. 3 and 2 pass break. 24 to Wonderful. Wonderful! Wala! For 3. Wala pa rin. Last touch number 7. Andas ball. Substitution. Oh. Oh. Klarong-klarong Mando. Score daw tayo. Bong Hawkins. 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3 seconds violations. Seconds violation. Wonderful. Nangitlog ka. Alright. Renato to Maki. Maki Del Rosario to Ganoy. Pabanda. Wala. Alright. Nardo. Crossover move. Alright. Turnover. Right. Number 76, Maki.
26. Timeout left.
Slow motion jump shot. Tirnab. Wala. To Sabio. To Renato. Renato. Wala. Ganoy. Ganoy for 3. Wala. Naputukan ng shot clock kasi hindi tumama ng ring. Sa board. Hindi kasali yan. Wonderful. For 3. Wala. Rebound number 24. Yes. 2 points. Number 24. Ano apelido nito? Sabio for 3. Wala. Still Cook Smart's ball. Dribble. To Renato. Renato to Maki. To Sabio. Foul. Nakakuha pa ng foul Sabio. Foul number 30. Nardo. Yes. First throw. Sabio. 1 point.
First free throw, no goal. Second free throw. Second free throw is
Yes. Score. 18 all. Oy, sundot sa likod. Agaw. Ganoy. Yes, 2 points, Mr. Ganoy. Patawa-tawa lang si Ganoy, oh. Patawa-tawa ka, libre. Bang! Last touch. Renato to Ganoy. Ganoy to Sabio. Parang baliktad to sila. Agaw ng bola si Mr. Diluna. Diluna to Maki. Nice pass to Renato. Yes, 2 points. Mr. Renato. Alright. 22-18. Depensa. Dribble. Another depensa. Nardo. At ng kapasahan. Wonderful again. Pass. A nice pass by Wonderful. $19 seconds. To Renato. Maki for 3. Wala.
first free throw is good.
All right, end of the second quarter. We have a very good and nice game tonight actually. Score 22-20 in favor of Cooksmart. All right, we would like to thank the sponsors and the videographer behind on that camera holding. Thank you so much, sir. All right, tapos na ang intermission natin kanina. Relax lang tayo. Ganyan talaga pag maganda ang laro. May bakbakan talaga yan. And after that, magbabati rin yan. Dala lang yan ng emosyon. At saka, ako may hawak ng mikropono, kaya bakbakan na naman. Last time, ako rin eh. Yung Bondi Boys, ako rin yun. Alright, back to the ball game. Third quarter. Alright, Cooksmart ball. Alright, to De Los Santos for 3. Wala. Rebound, Mr. Perez. To Mr. Bong Hawkins. Sakay. Yay! Ilator. Wala. Pasa kay Ganoy. Ganoy, yes, 2 points. Mr. Ganoy. Grabe scoring machine ng James Harden ng Cooksmart yan. Boy Balbas. Nardo. Screen. Ay, turnover. Ay, Sabio. Sabio nagtitimon. Paturo-turo. Saan ka pupunta? Pasa do number 16. To De Los Santos. Tira. Yes, pabandang tira. 2 points. De Los Santos. Score 26-20. In favor of Cooksmart. Gio. Counter attack. Nardo. Yes, 2 points. Nardo. Sabio. Paposte. Spin move. Wala. Nardo. Fade away shot. Wala. Rebound Renato. To De Los Santos. Alright. Wala. Gio. Power rebound by Gio. To Ilator. Ilator number 24 to Bong Hawkins. 3. Nagtitimon. To Ilator. Perez. Naputokan na shot clock po. Shot clock violation. Alright. Parang nag-uusap lang sa Ganoy for 3. Wala. Sa kanya pa rin. To Renato. Bang! Renato for 3. Gio playing the point guard. To Nardo, pailing-iling si Nardo. To Perez. Nice pass to Gio. Wala. Bong Hawkins. Simple basketball. Pass to De Los Santos. To Allen. To Sabio. Yes, 2 points. Sabio score. 31-22 in favor of Cooksmart. Lumalayo na ang Cooksmart. Babawi yan. Hindi pwedeng hindi babawi yan. To Gio. Pabanda. Wala. Ilator, power rebound. To Nardo. Yes. 2 points yan. 2 points yan. Nardo. Warning for delaying the game, number 24. Next time, boss. Technical ka na, boss. Alright, Mr. Sabio. Dribble. Naghahanap ng... Alright. Nice pass to Ganoy. Ganoy to Renato. De Los Santos for 3. Wala. Ganoy for the rebound. Ganoy. Wala pa rin. Tapik, napunta kay Ilato. Number 24, sidestep. Yes, 2 points. Number 24. Score 31-26. Cooksmart. Sabio. Same ball. Substitution rep. Sino out? Allen out in Maki. Sabio to Maki. Maki jump shot short. Takbong mga nakasul. Perez. Woohoo! Di lang pumasok. Agaw! Down. Number 76. To De Los Santos. To Ganoy. Wala! Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Ganoy. Naagaw ni number 54. To number 13. Back to number 54. Yes, 2 points. Number 54. Tatlo na lang. Nababa na ng andang score. Sabio for 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Renato. Hanap ng kapasan. Renato for 3. Maki pala yun. Again. Wala pa rin. Malas. Ganon talaga ang basketball. Alright. Ocampo may tanan ng bola. Nagsistretching na si number 47, no? To Gio. Wala. Rebound. Wonderful tonight. Wala. To Perez. Yes. Basket and 1. Rep, may sub tayo, rep. Substitution, rep. Sabio out. In De Luna. Ganoy out. Allen in. Perez, bonus throw, wala. Rebound. Cooksmart ball. 1 point na lang po ang kalamangan ng Cooksmart. 9 points yan kanina. Ngayon, 1 point na lang. 4-3. Bang! Number 25, De Los Santos, 4-3! Mr. Ranel Ocampo to Wonder. Babawi! Wala! Rebound, Mr. Perez! Good. Foul. Foul number 77 Renato. First throw, wala. Malas. Yes, 1 point. Score 34-31 in favor of Cooksmart. De Luna, 128 to number 13 to De Los Santos again. Different result na. Perez. Perez to Arnel Ocampo. Perez. Foul, number 24. Number 24, how many foul? One right, wala. Talbog ang bola palabas. Cooksmart ball. Renato. Renato to Allen. Allen for 3. Lumabas! Napakamalas. Agawa ng bola. To Arnel De Luna. De Los Santos to Maki. Maki to De Los Santos. To Renato. Walang tumitira. Maki, wala. De Los Santos, wala. Ilato. Foul. Foul number 7-7. Number 77, second personal foul. First throw, wala. Weng, 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 weng. Second throw, jumpers ready. Wala. Kuha ni Maki. Maki to Renato. Renato to De Los Santos. Wala. End of the third quarter. Score 34-31. Alright, may maganda tayong laban ngayon ha. Huwag muna kayong umuwi. The game is still not finished. We still witnessing the game against Cooksmart and Anda. It's a very intense game. Alright, we would like to thanks again our major sponsors, Arnel and Grace, Mortgage Stations, Elegance, Casa na, Mitsubishi McGrath Liverpool, Omega Tax, Penta Properties, Cooksmart, and Sugar and Glaze. Kung di dahil sa inyo, wala po tayong basketball every Saturday. So thank you to our sponsor for their generosity. Back to the ball game. All right, fourth and final quarter. Ball possession. Anda basketball. Junal. All right, Nardo. Nardo to Anda. Wonderful tonight. Wala. Yes, 2 points, Nardo. De Los Santos, yes. All right, Nardo. To Anda. Anda. Foul. Foul number 7. Foul number 7, Sabio. Hacking foul. First throw, Mr. Anda. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready. Yes, 1 point, Mr. Anda. Sabio, may team nagtitimon to Renato. Renato to De Los Santos. To Ganoy. Ganoy? Ay! Miscommunication. Turnover. Ilato to Anda. Jump shot. Yes! 2 points. Tabla na po tayo, mga igan. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Short! Nardo. Wala. Rebound. Nardo pa rin. Fadeaway shot. Yes, 2 points. Nardo. Lamang na ang Anda Car Wash. Sabio, siya lang mag-isa. Naghahanap. Sabio. Supalpal! Bong Hawkins. Wonderful tonight! Yes, 2 points. Wonderful tonight. Allen, layup. Yes! What a shot by Mr. Allen. Alright, relax daw, sabi ni Bossy. Relax. Pasa to number 30, Nardo. To wonderful tonight for 3. Wala. Attacking naka-pink. De Los Santos for 3. Wala. Counter attack. Mr. Bong Hawkins. Bump. Wala. Good play. Nice defense. To De Los Santos. To Sabio. Sabio. Pabanda. Wala pa rin. May foul rep. Foul number 24. Substitution rep. Out Nardo in Perez. Number 24. Dalawa ka na. Malayo pa. Meron pang 3. First throw, wala. Second throw. Short. All right. Perez. Wala. Bong Hawkins. To Ilato. To Bong Hawkins. Oh, fadeaway shot. Wala. Ang ganda pa naman nun. De Los Santos. Pushing foul. All right. Ilato. Jump shot. Wala. Rebound. Power rebound. Mr. Anda. Who's foul rep? Foul number 13. Substitution rep. Out number 13 in 128. Sobrang daming number yan. 128. Halos hindi bagkasa sa likod. First throw, Mr. Anda. Connect. Second throw. Yes. Substitution rep. Ang labas. Alright. Pinahinga nila yung trigger man nila. Mr. Sabio, may tahan ng bola. Signaling the play to Renato. Jump shot, wala. Rebound, Gio. To Perez. Atake ang mga nakasul. Atake, bump. Whoop. To Gio. Gio. Wala. Foul. Who's foul, ref? Number 7. Sabio. Sabio! 2 fouls. Kala mo ha. First throw. Wala. Sayang. Yes, 1 point. Score! 38-43. And the basketball. Uy, naagaw. Jump shot. Ay! Ay! Yes! 2 points, Mr. Anda. Oh my goodness. Lumalayo na. Sabio, number 17, still. Foul. Number 30. Bawal po yan. Tatawagan ka. Substitution rep. Wonderful tonight. In. Oh, labas. Tumatakbo ang oras. Renato to Maki. Ganoy for 3. Wala. Foul rebound number 29. Naagaw ni 128. Number 16 to 128. Nice pass. Ay, hindi tinira. Nardo. Traveling. Turnover. Dahan-dahan lang daw, sabi ni coach. Alright, Renato. Wala man. Renato to Ganoy. Ganoy for 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Perez. Ayan ang nakasul. Gamit daw ng oras, sabi ng coach. Nardo to Wonderful 3. Wala. Rebound Gio. Ilato. Gio. Sayang yun. Ay. Tutilo na. Last touch. Cook Smart basketball. To Maki, to Sabio. Hila foul. Yun ang tawag, hila foul. Who's foul rep? .47, Wonderful tonight. Foul, Wonderful tonight. Asol ang buhok, pink ang sapatos. The best talaga yan si Wonderful. Renato, bump, pabonda, wala. Grabe itong si Gio, naka-10 rebounds na to. Nardo, simple basketball. Rebound, Kobe Bryant. Hey! Ang bumangga, giba. Last 1 minute 34 seconds. Maki Di Rosario. Wala. Napakamalas naman itong pink. Perez. May tahan ng bola. Ayan na. Tonardo. Whoa! Saan ka punta? To the moon. Road trip. Boom, boom. Time out. We would like to thank all the spectators today, actually tonight. Thank you for spending your time with the PBAS basketball. Kung wala kayo, walang PBAS po. Shout out to my friend of mine here, Nardo. Naglalaro yung
Joseph 2 or 3, Joseph 2 or 1, isn't he? I don't know.
star player, Division 1, Nardo.
Joseph 1 or Joseph 2? Yeah, which one? Oh, you're number 2.
He plays with Nardo 1. Nardo 1, Membebs 1. Back to the ball game. 5 seconds to shoot. Bong Hawkins. Nice defense. Shot lock off. Cook Smart ball. 61 seconds to play. All right, dribble the ball. Maki to Ganoy to Arnel de Luna. 4-3! Wala! Agaw, Maki. To De Los Santos. 4-3! Wala pa rin! Blue ball. Foul. Foul number 76. To Perez. Perez. Step through. Wala. Was foul rep. Foul number 128. What the heck? What number is that, eh? First throw. Yes. 1 point, Perez. Yes. Another 1 point, Mr. Perez. To Arnel de Luna. To Ganoy. Huli! Number 47 with a blue hair with a pink shoes. Wala. Maki. Bang! Maki Bordre. All right, shake hands. Congratulations to the winner, Anda Carwas. And better luck next time to the loser, Cook Smart. Player of the game. Number 54, Perez. 11 points, 11 rebounds, 11 assists. Thank you for all na nag-witness sa laro. Hanggang sa muling pagkikita. Paalam! Best player of the game, number 54, Perez.